Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda from Mexico and today I'm in Acapulco. People say that in the sea life is better. What do you think? Look what I will show you today. I made it here watching the sea inspired by the season and in this beautiful place. What do you think? Even on vacation we can relax crocheting as I did. So let's start right away. I will give you the material list. The materials to knit this dress will be 300 grams of Rio and one hook of number 3 or 3.5. Remember that at the end of the video I share the address of the store in Spain and my website where you can get all of these materials. It's pretty safe and easy. Okay, so we will start making change until we obtain the width of your hip. You will have to leave 5 centimeters more in each side because if not the dress will look tight and we don't want that. Once you have the width of your hip, start making single crochet in the second chain. Grab one thread and bring it through, and again grab one thread, make single crochet and bring it through, and like this the whole row. I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. And I hope that you can enjoy this view while we are making this garment. I really love it and I wanted to share with all of you. So enjoy it with me, please. Okay, like this the whole row. So far it has to look like this. At the end of the row, turn over your work, make 4 chains, and grab your yarn twice. And until the next chain, we will make a double crochet, like this. Grab and bring it through. Make 5 more chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Grab your yarn twice and insert your hook into the 5th chain here. Then make a double crochet like we made before. Grab your yarn twice again and here we will make 2 double crochet together. Here we will insert into the next chain to make this double crochet. And again 5 chains, and we will count 4, and in the 5th chain insert into to make this double crochet, and like this the whole row. Remember, here we will make 2 double crochets together and then 5 chains, and like this. So far it has to look like this. Look, the double crochet mesh stitch has to look like this. And I hope that you can enjoy the view as much as I do. So we will continue crocheting this beautiful cover up. So let's continue. At the end of the row, turn over your work. So in this row we will start making single crochet, 1 and 2, and then we will make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we will insert into this chain and make single crochet. Again, well, it has to look like this so far, okay? So, and again we will make 5 chains, and when we finish this 5 chains we are going to make 2 single crochet and again 5 chains, and we will continue like this the whole row. So it will be one row of double crochet mesh stitch and one row like this. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, at the end of the row we will turn over our work and then we will go up with 5 chains. And grab your yarn twice and make double crochet here. Remember that we are going to make 2 double crochet together and then 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we will grab our yarn twice and make double crochet here and grab twice your yarn again, make a double crochet together and then 5 chains and like this. Okay, so we are going to make one row of single crochet with 5 chains and then the double crochet mesh stitch. So we are going to continue like this until we have the height from our legs to the armhole to start reducing stitches. Look, here I finished. I have 17 squares of wide and 18 squares of long. You can make as many squares as you want and more rows depending on the size that you are crocheting for. So once you have the squares that you want, we will start reducing to build the V-neck. So I will divide my work into 2 parts to build the V-neck that we want, and from there start reducing stitches. So I will leave 8 squares for this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and this one we are going to leave this square to form the V-neck, and then we are going to leave 8 squares more for the other side. Now we are going to start making the row of single crochet with chain. You have to pay attention to have the chain row in the wrong side and the double crochet row in the right side. So let's start making the chain row with single crochet here. Okay, so I get ahead and I finished the row of single crochet with 5 chains, and then I made one row of double crochet mesh stitch and I stop until here to show you how we are going to reduce. So here we are not going to make 5 chains, we are going to make just a double crochet like this to reduce and to form the V-neck. Okay, grab your yarn twice and make 2 double crochet together like this. Okay, look. So far it has to look like this. Now turn around your project, and in this part you have to pay attention, okay, because we are going to make 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet over here and 1 single crochet here. But you have to pay attention to look for the right chain that you are going to crochet over it. So here, and then we are going to make the 5 chains and 2 single crochet. So we are going to continue like this the whole row. And remember, from here we are going to start reducing to form the V-neck. Here was at the beginning and here was at the end of the row, and then we are going to form the suspenders. It has to look as if we're leaning. Okay, I will continue and I will go and back and I will stop to tell you how we are going to reduce, okay? Look, here I am at the end of the row of double crochet mesh stitch, and we are going to reduce here, making just double crochet here and here the other double crochet. Remember that this is the double crochet that we made together. You have to lose a little bit, okay? And so far it has to look like this. Okay, turn around and then we are going to make the single crochet and 5-inch row like this one. Here we are going to make 2 single crochet. Here's where you have to pay attention. We are going to insert into the hook. Okay, well now we are going to make 5 chains and 2 single crochet and like this, okay, the whole row. Well, we are going to continue like this the whole row. Then we are going to make the suspenders. Here I get ahead. Here we are forming the V-neck, and here is where I get ahead and I make the suspenders. I stop until I have 2 big squares for build the suspenders. At the end I made 1 row more to obtain the height that I want, so I made 2 rows of double crochet mesh stitch to make my Coverup bigger, but you can make as many as you want. So here I finished. So we have to make another piece like this one, exactly the same with the same number of rows, all the same, and at the end we are going to sew them to join them. We will join sewing both pieces to form the shoulders, then we will sew the sides. Remember, we will leave the armhole a little bit bigger because we want that it looks a little loose. I will show you how. And only sew from here to here. Also we can leave open the bottom side, and we can only sew from here to here. Once you have both pieces, we will sew this part of the shoulders and the sides. I forgot to bring with me an embroidery needle, so I'm going to use my hook. Well, first match these sides, and then we are going to make single crochet like this, taking 1 chain from here and 1 from here. Once we join this part, we are going to make 1 row of single crochet until we arrive to the other shoulder. Then we are going to join it the same way that we are doing now, and then we are going to come back making 1 row of single crochet, and when we finish we are going to join the sides. Remember that the armhole will be bigger, so we will leave 15 squares without join, and then I won't join 5 to have the bottom side open. I will make the same in the other side. Once I finish joining my 2 parts of the garment, I will make a sash for the back of the garment. I will make 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the 3rd chain, start making extended double crochet. We are going to continue making extended double crochet until we have approximately 3 inches of wide. You can make it bigger if you want. Well, I will continue and see you when I finish. Well, here we finish. Here I joined the sides. I made 1 row of single crochet, and here I joined just 5 squares, and I leave the bottom of my garment open, and I made single crochet in the other side too, and I joined the same number of squares and everything. Well, here I have my sash finished, and now we are going to take both suspenders from the back and we are going to join them with our sash, making single crochet. Okay, so grab your yarn and start making single crochet to close the sash as we made before. Well, here I finished. Now I'm going to hide my pleat, and I will make another sash like this one for my head to have all the outfit from head to toe. So this is it. What do you think? So look what we create together. I hope that you like it, and in other color it would look good too, but I like this color because it's so bright and it's perfect for summer. Hope you like this video, and I hope you have enjoyed the view as much as I do. Acapulco is beautiful. It was so popular in the 50s. Many Hollywood stars used to come here, and it became an icon of Mexico. You should come. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you like this video, give me a like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave all your comments. I love you. Bye!